Welcome to the SimplePractice Telehealth Review Usage Experience. Links to the service are provided in the description below. SimplePractice is an all-in-one practice management platform with a robust telehealth solution designed for health and wellness professionals such as therapists, counselors, social workers, and medical practitioners. It's a feature-rich platform aimed at streamlining day-to-day operations while delivering a seamless virtual care experience for both providers and clients. One of the key highlights of SimplePractice's telehealth functionality is its reliability and ease of use. Video sessions are conducted in high definition with a secure, HIPAA-compliant connection to ensure the confidentiality of patient data. Clients can join their sessions with just one click. No need to download apps or deal with complicated setup processes. The platform is compatible with any device, making it highly accessible for providers and clients alike. SimplePractice goes beyond basic telehealth by integrating scheduling, billing, and documentation into one centralized system. Providers can set up appointments directly through the platform and send automatic reminders to reduce no-shows. The built-in billing system supports online payments, including credit cards and insurance claims, making financial management straightforward. Additionally, the platform includes customizable progress notes and templates, which streamline clinical documentation and save time. A standout feature of SimplePractice is its client portal, which offers patients the ability to book appointments, complete intake forms, and securely message their providers all in one place. This improves the overall client experience by making processes efficient and user-friendly. For group practices, SimplePractice supports multiple users, making it scalable for clinics with larger teams. For providers looking to enhance their telehealth offering, SimplePractice also provides add-ons like video recording and analytics to help monitor practice performance. The pricing plans are tiered, catering to individual practitioners as well as larger practices, ensuring flexibility based on your needs. In summary, SimplePractice is an excellent choice for health and wellness professionals seeking a comprehensive telehealth and practice management solution. Its blend of secure video sessions, operational tools, and client-focused features makes it a standout option in the industry. Check the links in the description to explore SimplePractice and see how it can elevate your practice.